Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be using this 20 inches Afro kinky human hair from ULAHAIR. So I'm just going to go ahead, bring it out of the packaging so you will see what the hair look like. And this hair is in color 99J. Okay, that's it right there. I'm going to go ahead, test it with water so we can see that it is 100% human hair, and this is it with water. Link to this particular hair will be in the description box. And that's the length. When you put water, you'll see the true length of the hair. The hair came in with the bonnet I just showed you guys, and this bag that contains all their essentials or their gifts, the tail comb, this card, say share your beauty experience and win a free hair. So if you're interested, you can do that. This hairband for those with frontals, and they sell other hairs too, bundles, Burmese curls, and other straight hairs. So let's get right into the video. The hair we are going to be making today is a twist that can transform into your sister locks or sister's lock or your tiny locks if you want to. So my queens, the link to this hair will be in the description box. Click the link, go to their website, shop this particular hair, and you can use the code provided in the description box to have some percentage off or some percent off, please. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, there's a reason why I'm leaving the tapes without twisting them, because I want to trim them down a little bit. Then I want them to have those coily kind of dread kind of finishing. So guys, so the length of this hair is more than this, but because I wanted them this way, I didn't finish it and I trimmed them off. Guys, this is the finished look. All you need to do is to relock your hair. If you want to transition into lock, you just need to relock the roots so your face can look neat. So we went about playing with styling, and by this time, if you have watched to this point, I'll say thank you for watching.